Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to change fire button animation in Duckduckgo application on Android device. Well, knowing how to change the fire button animation in this app can enhance your user experience by allowing you to personalize the application to your preferences. Customizing the animation can make the application feel more tailored to your style and can add a touch of uniqueness to your browsing experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open Duckduckgo application. Okay, after that, click the three dots at the top right corner, and then select Settings option. Okay, and now please scroll down until you find Fire button option, and then tap on it. Okay, and now simply tap on the third option here, and here you can see several fire button animation. Just tap on the option to see how it works. Okay, lastly, click Save button here to apply it. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change fire button animation in Duckduckgo application on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.